I just got a notification that I actually have a package downstairs.
You not seen the nails in there poking up?
No. Pasta instead. Well, it's actually Reagan 77's pasta. I literally like drained my battery dry. Hello, I'm vlogging. Okay, well, anyways, I'm at the container store. This is really good. I have this stuff from the container store. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little haul. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So it is now day 3 of being in the apartment. Super exciting, but it's 13th of September right now. It's currently 12:21 in the morning. Say hi.
What's up with it, people? Love you.
Love you.
Alright, boo. I'm back now,
Anyways, so he just had to come back, but him and his mom are going back up to their old house and they just have to move a few little things. We have like their TV coming for our living room, and they have to get the couch out and put all the trash on the side of the road so like trash guys can come get it and stuff. Him and his mom did that, but I stayed back because I have a few like things that I need to do personally here. So yeah, that's kind of what we're gonna be doing today. I'm just gonna bring you guys around with me for like these little errands and stuff that I have to do. And yeah, I just thought I would do like a little apartment vlog. So very excited. This morning I woke up and I should have actually started vlogging this morning, but this is kind of like last minute because I woke up at like 9:30 something, like 9:38, something like that, really close to 9:40, and my mom was texting me and was like, are you awake? You have to go get the groceries from 9 to 10. And so I had to literally like jump out of bed, change, get ready, and then rush to the garage to go to the grocery store to pick up the groceries. And I literally got there right at 10. I got those and then I came back, I organized the refrigerator in the pantry and then underneath the bathroom sink. So yeah, that's what I did this morning. I also made myself a coffee and stuff. I'll show you guys kind of what like the fridge and everything looks like. This isn't exactly how it's gonna look. This is just how it looks like right now. So yeah, that's just kind of what I'm working with. And then also he has like a whole bunch of clothes that I'm gonna try to like kind of put up and like organize the closet today. I need to get some stepping stools though because I only have one right now, and this like everything is like, it's kind of tall, like everything is really tall, like I can't reach like a lot of stuff. I really can't. So I need like stools for around the apartment so I can like reach things. But I have a little to-do list for today. So I need to take my Poshmark stuff. I sold some shoes and stuff on Poshmark. If you guys don't follow my Poshmark, I'm posting stuff all the time on there, and especially since we're moving. Well, obviously we just moved, but we're still unpacking and doing all of that. So I have a lot of things that I thought I was gonna have room for, but that I don't have room for. So, you know, I'm getting rid of stuff. So I do post a lot of my clothes, shoes, miscellaneous things on Poshmark. So if you don't follow that, definitely go. I'll have the link to it in the description. But I have to do my Poshmark stuff today. I have to get organization stuff for like underneath the cabinets, the shelves, bathroom. I think mainly today I want to get stuff for the bathroom. I want to go to the gym. I've been to the gym like once so far, and I just did like a little bit of cardio, and that was literally it. I need to post my YouTube video tonight, and then I also am going to film a Patreon video. If you don't follow my Patreon, definitely follow it. The link is in the description. But me and him are going to be filming like a little kind of Q&A video just explaining about us and stuff. I promised my Patreon people that I would post about him on there first. We'll introduce him on there first. I was about to say, because I posted a video today, but I'm introducing him to my Patreon before I'm introducing him to my YouTube, which honestly I don't even know if I'm going to have a formal introduction on my YouTube. I don't really know how I feel about that just yet. That's kind of that. I want to do the video for my Patreon today, and then I also have to fix the oil in my car to it, and then I also have to scan my Uber document because I do Uber Eats sometimes just if I want to get like extra money here and there, and my insurance kind of expired or something like that, so I have to re-upload my insurance document. But yeah, so that's the plan for today. That's just everything that I have on my list as of right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and package up all my Poshmark stuff that I need to ship out, and we're gonna take that to the post office probably. And then while I'm out, I'm gonna do my Uber document and get my organization stuff. Okay guys, so I just made it to the post office. The post office actually was like super close to the apartment, but like at first it took me a different way. Like it took me to like the employee entrance, so I had to like come around and go a different way. Yeah, I just took that. I also need to get a car wash because my car is so freaking dirty because of like the cats and it raining and stuff. So there's like little cat footprints all over my car. I just got to the Container Store and there's like a Foot Locker right next to it. It's in kind of a bougie area, so I kind of feel a little bit out of place. Oh, there's, oh, House of Hoops is by Foot Locker. Okay, well anyways, I'm at the Container Store. There's so much like organization that I don't like even know where to start. Oh, okay, so these are really nice. So these are like little spinny things. I actually do want some of the turntables. Okay, I think we're on bathroom now, which makes everything a lot more easier because this is exactly what I need. So they have like these little types of drawers. I kind of want like either the clear ones or white, and then they have a whole bunch of like cleaning supplies and stuff. I really want some of these like scrub daddy things. I just got in my car from going to the Container Store. Honestly, the Container Store is a little bit overwhelming and it is kind of expensive. I spent like $175, so almost $200, but it's definitely gonna be worth it. I think once everything's like organized and stuff, it's gonna look really, really good. So, you know, it's worth it. I need to do a car wash, but I think it's gonna rain. Like it's kind of muggy outside, so I'm gonna check the forecast right now. Yeah, it says it's about a drizzle. So I don't really want to like waste my money and then it rain on my car and it like not even be clean anymore. So I think I'm just gonna do that another day. All right, y'all, so I just got back to the apartment. It's 2:18 right now. I have the stuff from the Container Store. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little haul of everything that we bought. I just want to turn on the lights. I'm really, really hoping to eventually get everything organized and stuff so we can have this place done, but we need to get like everything organized. We also need to get like our TV, decorations for the living room. We need a rug for the living room, a coffee table, some nightstands, or like a little side table for the living room. And we just need like little things like that. Yeah, and then I'm thinking of actually, since we have this like little extra space right here, probably like putting a bar cart right there, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna show you guys real quickly what I got from the Container Store. So the first thing I got is a stool. So this one was originally $35, but I got it for like $20 because it was on clearance. So yeah, she's like a pretty sturdy, heavy duty one, pretty high. Like I can reach literally anything in the kitchen with this stool. And then for the bathroom, I got 2 of these little like cabinet baskets. I'm really, really hoping that these will fit and you can like change, you can change it to go like spread it out, so then it's like spaced out. So this is kind of how I'm hoping to have it. The next thing I bought is these 2 drawer organization things. They actually expand, so I'm hoping that these will fit really nicely in our drawers. And I got one for me and I also got one for him. The next thing I got is super, super exciting. I'm so excited to organize the fridge and the pantry, y'all. I'm like so excited for it. So I got this little like egg cart organizer, and then I got some drink organizers. And then here's my other little cabinet drawer. So that's everything that I got from the Container Store. So Christian and his friends are about to bring, I think, the TV for the living room. So while they do that, I'm gonna boil some eggs because I'm going to make tuna fish because I love tuna and I want to have it just like ready for me. So I'm gonna boil some water and make some tuna, and then I think I'm gonna make them some sandwiches just for when they get here because I know I'm hungry as freak, so I'm sure they're hungry too, especially like with moving stuff. So I just asked him what they want, but I think right now while I wait for the water to start boiling, I'm going to do my little what am I saying? My little fridge organization. Okay, so I was gonna make my tuna fish, but I don't have a can opener, so my mom's ordering us one, and I'm just gonna make my pasta instead. Well, it's actually Reagan 77's pasta, but it's really good, so I eat it all the time. We got some bow tie noodles. I have my water boiling. Like, I already had water boiling, so I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead and make something that I need boiled water for. I'm gonna just let my noodles cook, and then we're gonna like do the rest of it, but once my noodles are done. While I wait for my noodles to get done, I'm gonna try to put this little like organization stuff in the bathroom. So we're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna first do the drawer ones just because they're a little bit easier. I'm hoping and praying that like if this doesn't work, that I can like somehow, some way return this. I really like these ones because they expand. You can fit it kind of to your drawer space. I don't really have much in here right now, but I have a couple things. Oh, okay. Okay, whatever. Oops. Okay. Okay, I like that. So this is kind of what it looks like. It was a little bit short, so like it doesn't go in the hooks, but it still like looks pretty good and it fits that perfectly. So I'm gonna have like this like open space, and then I can also move these around to fit whatever I need it. And then I have room for like stuff right here. So I actually really like that. My noodles just finished, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make the noodles. So you're gonna need some butter, some heavy whipping cream, and some grated Parmesan cheese. And then you're gonna need some spices and stuff, but I'm just gonna put this stuff in right now while I have it here. Let's do a little bit of butter, put that in there, shake up my heavy whipping cream. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there, put a little bit of salt in there, and then we're gonna put some pepper. Ooh, that was a lot. We're gonna put some garlic powder, onion powder. I'm pretty sure this is all the ingredients that she used. Honestly, it's been so long since I made this, but it's fine. And then you're gonna need some red pepper flakes. The more red pepper flakes, the more hot it's gonna taste, obviously, but I put in just a little bit because it does get like really spicy. And then you're gonna need some traditional pasta sauce. Well, you can use whatever pasta sauce, but I just used the traditional one. She has like a specific one that she personally likes, but I just like the traditional one. It tastes just as good to me, and it's pretty cheap. Okay, it's not supposed to be this soupy, but I think I added too much heavy whipping cream. Oh, no, I know what I'm missing. You're also gonna need some mozzarella. This is what's gonna make it like thicken up. So you're gonna add your mozzarella cheese. I'm actually gonna put this on a low heat, help mix this up. Then you're also gonna need some grated Parmesan cheese and pour that on top as well. Put a little bit in there whenever you're cooking it, and then you can put some on top once you put it in your bowl. I just got a notification that I actually have a package downstairs, so I'm gonna go get that. And I packed up my food. I'm gonna go get my package, and then I'm gonna sit downstairs and eat. But I'm just gonna walk really quick, go pick up the package. Supposedly it's like an Amazon package. This is actually my first time using the package thing, so I'm kind of excited. Okay, so I just got into the Zen garden. I have my package. The Amazon people like didn't log out, so I was trying to film it, but it just like was not working. But luckily like another resident was helping me out, but I'm very thankful to him because without him, I literally would have not gotten my package. Oh, I got some towels. I wonder who bought this. Aw, from his mommy. Her. We got some little towels. That came so quick, and she's here too. Okay, well I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and make them some lunch. So I just cooked dinner, and Dwayne and his boyfriend just got here. It's 8:08, so I'm going downstairs just to get them really quick. I literally just finished dinner, so it was like perfect timing. I started like right when I needed to. Ah! Hello, I'm vlogging! Hi, how are you?
I'm so good, happy to see you. How are you?
I don't see anything.
You don't see my nails right there poking out?
No. So we're checking his car because it
Wait, I'm not even all the way back up.
No, he did something to his tire, so it's like losing air. Dwayne and Justin came by. We went up to the Sky Lounge. We were just sitting talking, and then he got home, so he came up there with us, and we just sat out there and talked for a little bit.
Hey, but look, bro, that tire is so annoying.
But we're gonna go upstairs. He's gonna shower. We're gonna eat dinner, and then yeah, we literally still haven't ate, and I made it super long ago. But we're gonna eat, and then later we're gonna go to Insomnia Cookies, and we're gonna get a cookie. Me and him both just took a shower, so he's cleaning up the dishes just because I cooked dinner, and literally I was like stressing out so much with dinner and stuff, so I was like, please will you do the dishes, which he did the dishes last night too. So it's 10:43. We're about to go to Insomnia Cookies. We were actually talking about Insomnia Cookies with Dwayne and Justin, and they were talking about how like they're so good and everything, and like I think I have tried them before. Honestly, I can't really remember. So me and him are just gonna go because they stay open till 1 a.m. and we're just gonna get like a cookie, have a little, you know, little outing, date night type thing. I'll show you guys really quickly what I'm wearing. Super, super chill. So I just have this jacket from Princess Polly. I have these shorts from H&M, and then these little slides from Amazon.
Alright, what's the time?
It's 10:59.
10:59. We going to get some cookies.
Cookies.
I ain't never had them before. What about you? Have you had them?
Y'all, the other day I literally like drained my battery dry and we were like stuck at the car wash, so we had to take out my battery. We literally had to keep like jump starting he had to keep jump starting my car like the whole entire day.
Damn, someone hit it hard right there.
Ooh. We had to take it to AutoZone. Then they told us that it was basically like dead, so we had to buy a new one. Then we had to go back to the car wash, put it in. It was just like a whole process. But it's just because I leave my radio and like my air conditioning, and I literally just leave everything like plugged in and on, so it like drains it over time. Anyways, we'll see you guys when we get to Insomnia Cookies. We're in a new little park that we've never been in. Look how cute it is over here. It's like
we're in Victoria Park.
Yeah, Victoria Park. It's Victory, not Victoria. Oh, I have been over here in this area before, but I didn't like.
You ain't never been over here before.
Yes, because I remember I remember this Mayweather Boxing Fitness.
No, you never been over here before.
It's Mayweather Boxing. They gave us some fudge, and they said supposedly people like dip their cookies in it. We got a bunch of different ones, but they didn't have like all of the flavors, so we couldn't get like everything. But I hear people talk about Insomnia cookies all the time. I thought there was only one snickerdoodle. Let me try my chocolate chip one. And they're warm. This is really good.
That's all. I like a perfect cookie.
Alright, well, thank you guys for watching my video today. We're gonna just head back home and probably watch some TV and then go to sleep. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, give it a like, thumbs up. Well, that's the same thing. Subscribe, hit the turn of the post notifications on. And you wanna say bye? Bye, y'all.